Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Flare 58 machine, and let's go ahead and make a shot. So I ground the coffee, and the grinder setting was at 7. Here it is at 7. Although it's hard to say exactly where someone else is at since you can keep rotating around and around. And grinder settings are not exact from one grinder to the next. So I just tapped it here on the counter a bit just to get the extra stuff out. And it might be worth weighing your output just to see if you're indeed have 18 grams. I weighed 18 grams of beans, but you might want to weigh it again just to make sure you have the same output. Use my distributor here. And then give it a tamp. Put the flare screen on top. Tighten it. And I'll get some water just below boiling. I have the machine set on high, so there's 3 lights. And then I'm going to pour, let's see, get my cup ready. Pour the water up to the line. And then pull a shot. So that'll pre-infusion for about 5 seconds. And we'll go up to full strength. Right at 9 bar. You see how I do need to put my body weight on it? I mean, I guess I could do it. I can't really do it with one hand. I can do it with 2 hands. But it does need to go nice and slow like this. And you just don't want to do more than 2 ounces, which would be right about here, or double the weight of the coffee you put in. So it'd be 36 grams. Whenever you get the amount that you want of liquid you want, you just pull it up and it'll stop pouring. And we'll taste the shot. It's really good. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.